So we've got 6 figurines to do for this carousel cake. So just because that's about 12 hours of work, Krystle and I are going to be splitting these figurines, doing 3 each. Krystle is going to be doing the cod, the seal, and the sea turtle. She's really excited about the sea turtle. And I'm going to be doing the whale, the sea monster, and the lobster. So to start off, I'm just going to turn this right on over to Krystle, and she will get launched on those first 3 figurines, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. She's really excited. We do love our animal figurines, so this should be great.
Right here, where I'm looking super confused for some reason, I'm doing the wire armature for, I think it's the seal. And so that's so like when we're putting it into the cake and having it set up, it doesn't fall apart because it's some kind of a skeleton. Now that I made the skeleton, slash wire armature, I'm building up the base of, this is actually the turtle, the sea turtle, which I was very excited to make because everyone already makes the sea turtles for everything else, and I've been wanting to make a sea turtle for a very long time, and usually Kathy steals it. I'm looking at her right now.
Hello, turtles!
So, I'm just building up the belly and the shell part. And I'm doing like a base golden yellow color, and then I'm gonna paint over it. Same thing with the seal. I've made the body pretty much in entirety. It's pretty easy. He's really just a wrinkly lump of mix. But I just did it as like a light warm gray, and then I'm gonna go back over it and color it later. Right here, I'm just putting on his last flipper. So here I'm using our Petal Dust, and I really like using them. I'm doing it dry and wet, so the wet part is the vodka. Everyone thinks that we're like partying in the back with the big bottle of vodka, but we're really just painting. So the vodka makes the color dry faster and stick on better than if you were just using water. It kind of like activates it, so it becomes like a strange powdery watercolor. So I kind of used it dry and wet to really get like a nice mottled look. So for the fish, I forget the name of the fish. Maybe it's a cod, I don't remember. I did the Petal Dust and vodka technique. And I think I just did it more stripey to give it that more striped look. I'm kind of going back and forth on all three of the animals. Just doing different processes and making sure that the animals aren't too wet so I can't, smudge it around. And now I'm adding some detail to the turtle, like the shell creases. Maybe that's not the right word. And then I'll be blending in all those colors so it's not as dramatic looking. So I did for the sea turtle a basic kind of airbrushing to give it a kind of like a wider spread of color. And I'm going to go back in and color it. The last thing I did with the sea turtle was add basically, it's like the scaliness of his flippers. I was gonna say fins, not fins. So the best way that I thought to do that was to just go in with royal icing to get the white back in, and that was pretty easy. And I just made some general squiggly marks. And it really made the fins pop more, and it gave it a lot more dimension. And here are my pals all done.